So welcome back to the channel, everyone. This time we have a Vauxhall Corsa. This time I own it. It's not somebody else's, so we have a Vauxhall Corsa project for the channel. It's 1.2, 2002 Club, I think. Basically means it's quite poverty spec, so it would have had like a tape deck and yeah, poverty spec, no alloys and stuff like that. I picked this up off of Gumtree, pretty cheap. It was 300 quid. That is cheap for a car. I will say this car has got 10 months MOT on it. It doesn't run out until April next year, which is amazing. You know, that's really good. Really good when you get a cheap car and it's got a long MOT. It's not without its issues though, not 300 quid. So I've just shown you bits of videos around the car and hopefully you picked up on the oil leak, which should be hopefully a relatively easy fix for the pressure sensor. The engine management light is on. And the oil light comes on as well, again I think down to the pressure sensor. Engine management light's on, but there's a blow on the exhaust at the front, so that could be a lambda sensor reading too much oxygen, so I'm hoping that could be an easy fix of just tightening up the exhaust, or it could be a new lambda sensor. No idea yet, not plugged it in, just guessing. What else do I want to do to this car? I want to flip it and make money. That's the whole idea with this car. I don't want to like start sticking turbo engines in like I've done in other cars. I want to flip this car and make some profit, and I want to take you guys along for the journey, so you can see how easy it is to make money. He says not made any money yet, but so this video, or these videos, this series of videos with this Corsa will be fixing its problems, making it a bit tidier. I don't like the way it looks on the outside. I wish it had like the plastic skirts that come with the SXI on it, so I might stick them on to try and make it look a bit nicer. Tidy up the bodywork. I've shown you the scrape on the front bumper, so I'm going to see if I can get another bumper so then there's no scrapes, because the rest of the bodywork is pretty tidy. It is really tidy. Might change the headlights for the projector ones because they're quite cheap, but I've got no reason to because there's nothing wrong with the ones I've got, so I am just eating into profit there. Who knows what I'm going to do with that one yet? Leave a comment below. And I'd like to put some alloys on it because it has wheel trims and it only has 3 out of 4. So I don't know whether to try and like get the SRI ones or SXI ones. I'll have a look what's cheap and what's available with decent tyres, because these I've got decent tyres on these Steelers, don't get me wrong. And then last but not least, it's this interior. It's in really good condition, except for a cigarette burn on the passenger seat. Really good condition, but it's club spec, so there's no lumbar, there's no extra support, there's nothing like that, there's nothing to it, but they are good nick. They are really good nick. So I don't know yet. I'm going to see what's about and how much, because it's all about how much. When you want to make profit, you don't want to spend a lot of money, do you? So, and then lastly in the interior is this center console, which I've shown you, because it's got a Pioneer head unit in it. Great, don't mind that. Radio doesn't work. I found a little aluminium bee sting aerial on the roof. That could be one of the reasons why it doesn't work. So I'm going to get a standard aerial and replace that to start with. See if I can get the radio to work. I'm actually going to pull this radio out to see if it's actually got the aerial plugged in. So the radio is not working at the moment, but it will for auxiliary. But it doesn't, I've only just noticed it doesn't even have the function to play CDs. It doesn't have the function for CDs, so this must be a really cheap one. So as auxiliary and radio doesn't work. Well, we'll see if we can fix that. I have just found its service book. The guy said he didn't have much paperwork with it, and to be fair, it must only have been the service book. And it was stamped up to 72,000 miles. With the Vauxhall as well. And we're only on 79, so at the moment it's got full service history, kind of. That was 2 years ago. But I'll put that away now. So here we are, we have a little Corsa, we have videos to make, we're going to have some fun, and hopefully we're going to make some money and roll it across onto the next project. And that's the plan. Buy a car, make profit, roll it onto the next one, buy another car, and repeat. So I've shown you the car, there will be lots of videos coming soon on this car. Make sure you stay tuned. Give the video a like, so I know that you're liking the idea of this Corsa project. And I already want another Corsa, I do. I really want another one already. Not at the same time, but I will get another one, 100%. Yeah, so leave a like, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in another Corsa video soon. Bluudy out. Bluudy out. Bluudy can't stop his recording.